your engine off. Pull up the handbrake. Pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. This will allow you to see the battery, which is located to the right of the engine compartment. Using a socket wrench, a long extender and a 13mm socket, unscrew the fastening plate of the battery. And remove it. Never start by disconnecting the positive terminal with all the cars still connected to the minus terminal. This risks creating dangerous sparks in the electric network of your car. Using a small socket wrench and a 10mm socket, start by removing the negative terminal from the battery. Once removed, ensure you distance the cable to avoid untimely reconnections which could damage the electrical network of the vehicle. Repeat the operation on the positive terminal. You can now remove the battery. Sand the inside of the terminals with sandpaper to remove the layer of white oxidation and to avoid breakdowns in the long term. On the new battery, remove the protective covers. Coat the terminals with copper grease to improve the contact between the terminals and connectors, but also to limit oxidation development. Put the new battery in place and push it firmly into its frame. Start by putting the positive terminal back in place. Fix it in place with a socket wrench and a 10mm socket. Finally, do the same with the negative terminal. Put the battery fastening plate in place . Then finish off the tightening with a socket wrench. Operation completed.